Alright, so I haven't had a video for you guys in a while. This is just a 2015 Dodge Challenger RT. Sounds like it might have some sort of exhaust on there. I like those wheels. And everybody keeps saying to buckle up. They don't like to hear the dinging. So there you go. I buckled up. Set the e-brake off. Okay, so turn the radio off. So, it just looks, fairly basic on the inside. We got a, it's got the, retro looking, display up there. We got your radio. They went back to this type of gear shifter that actually moves instead of, I'm not sure if the Challengers had the smack, like the slap up and down ones or not. But anyways, this is her. This has a cloth interior. Nothing too special. But it does sound like it might have some sort of exhaust on there. Just because it roars. Like when I started it up, it had a pretty loud roar idle. But I don't know, I'm just kind of taking it easy for you guys. Everybody says take care of the cars, man, they're not even broke in. But this one's got 2,100 miles on it, so it should be pretty well broken for you guys. But it's got nice wheels on it too. But this is it, the 2015 Dodge Challenger RT. It's got a traction control button. It's got a sport button and a back. Other than that, there's not a whole lot of buttons in here. It's just old basic muscle car. You got your your vehicle info, is your tire pressures. You got your I guess that was the coolant temp, transmission temperature, your oil temperature, your oil pressure, and your oil life, and your battery voltage. You got your speedometer there. And you got your performance, which is pretty cool. That's that braking distance, and then your 0 to 60 mile per hour timer, that's pretty cool because you can kind of test it yourself, tell people, yeah, my car does 0 to 60 and, I don't know what it does, 5 seconds or something, 6 seconds, you don't have to trust that the manufacturer, says for that. But it's got that cool thing. You got your fuel economy gauge, 14.2 miles a gallon there. What's the difference in those? Miles per gallon, 14.2. I don't know, those look alike. Oh, one has the range and one has the range and the current. And then you got your trip info there. It's pretty nice. Trip A, trip B. You got your miles per gallon, which 15.6 is pretty good. I mean, in my opinion, for the V8 here. And that's about it. Your screen setup, go back to your speedometer. But it's this pretty basic version, it's not like the 6-cylinder or anything like that, but it is pretty nice. I'll give you guys one quick little rev for you. Sounds pretty good. So that's it there. I'll show you guys under the hood. It's a good looking Hemi there. It's pretty nice. You know, just semi-basic on the inside. Trying to talk less. Everybody says you talk too much. So there it is. It's your 5.7 liter. You know, Hemi V8, of course. It's purple coolant there. And I like these wheels. What we got? We got a 245 45 ZR20 on the front. And you got your 275 40 ZR20s on the back. Got you a lot of rubber there on that back end. Pretty nice. I don't know if it's stock exhaust or not on there. See if I can get a view up underneath. I mean, it looks fairly stock from right here, from what I can see, but it's got a nice roar to it, that's for sure. So that's it, pretty much, you know. You got your 2015 Dodge Challenger. Yeah, people say that I say the model too much. It says Axis in the center cap. I mean, they look pretty stock. I don't really know if that's a stock wheel or not. Let me close the hood back down. And there you go. You got your 5.7 liter V8. You got your little haloed headlights there. You got your Challenger right there, and you got your RT badge. It's pretty nice. So let's take her around there in the shop. Let's make sure there's nothing that you can't see. I know, put your seatbelt on. That's what everybody says, put the seatbelt on. Never really thought about it, but I guess that would make it fairly annoying to listen to. So, just pull it around here to this. Over in park here. We go around here to open up the door. Yourselves a nice 2500 Laramie. Doing a little bit of repair work on it. I like those hood vents there. Those look pretty nice. Got your old classic looking fuel gauge there. Twist off on the inside. So, take the e-brake off there. I'm just got a habit of setting the e-brake on stuff that I work on. Alright. That's about it. You might be able to hear the rev a little better with the door closed. I don't know. You might like eject off, or reflect off the door a little bit. So we'll give that a try for you guys real quick. Actually, here, best thing to do would be to I'm gonna put the phone right here. See if they'll stay right there. Stay there. I'm not so sure. Okay. Yep, right there. this rev. It does sound like a little bit more than stock. It might just be me. I'm not sure. You got your little, keyless entry, keyless start deal. Or not remote start, but here's your halo lights. Glowing. They look pretty nice there, in my opinion. You got your like orb style headlights on the inside. Those look extra bright. I guess it just, I don't know, maybe it's just because it's inside, but they look really bright. I'm gonna reach in there and shut it off there. And this remote just has the, the trunk and the lock and the unlock. That was a lock. That's your lock. Unlock. If you press lock twice, it does give a honk. Those are bright, man. I didn't really know those lit up orange like that. I guess that's the turn signal, but I never really thought about it. Let's turn on the hazard lights. Yeah, I didn't think about that. I didn't think about where the front turn signals were before. That's definitely them. And that's it. You got your brake lights, your hazard lights. Everything's nice and bright. And turn that off. And that's where we'll end it. The 2015 Dodge Challenger RT. It's a nice vehicle. I would like to have leather personally, but everything else about it is supreme in my opinion. It's a nice coupe. I got a 8-month-old now, so I'm looking at 4-door type cars. I drive a 2-door right now, but I bought it before we knew the baby was coming. But I've been looking for a 4-door for a while. But anyways, that's it. Your 2015 Dodge Challenger RT. And hope you guys have a nice week.